I'm going to separate the teeth. Now I'm going to place my pull onto that. And I'm going to use this fork. It's just a regular plastic fork to put on my zipper pull. I'm going to place my fork underneath, use something heavy. So I'm going to use my sewing machine. So I'm just going to stick this underneath my sewing machine so it's sturdy. And now I'm going to take my zipper and I'm going to place it like this between the fork, like that. Let me take it out so you can see properly what I'm doing. So this is what your fork looks like. Okay. Which direction it's in, let's put it back. And I'm going to take my zipper and I'm going to turn the teeth down like this, and I'm going to put this in between here at the same time. And push. Just put the two together at the same time and push. Here we have it. Now we can remove it from there and just push. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Your zipper pull is on and everything is lined up nicely.